Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we have a case unboxing, and this is a Hot Wheels Case L, and this is actually a little beat up, so I'm kind of curious to see what we have inside, and hopefully nothing's damaged. The bottom is messed up a little bit, but we're definitely going to open this up and check it out. If any of the cars are damaged, I'm actually going to probably put them on my Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway. I do YouTube shorts every single day racing cars, so the damaged ones typically end up there. But before we get started with the unboxing, I do want to mention I am doing a giveaway on my merch store. So this is for a Hot Wheel Elite 64 for the Toyota Tacoma. This thing is absolutely amazing. That's the truck right there. There's some different configurations that you can build with this, and I'm giving this brand new set away to one of you guys. I do have another one I kept for myself. This is the kind of build out I did with my truck. This thing is absolutely insane, super detailed. Even the wheels have real riders on there that are really fancy. So this is what I did with my personal one, but I'm giving this away to one of you guys. All you have to do is hop on to shopemptyparadise.com, and whenever you guys pick up Hot Wheels such as these, you guys automatically get entered into the giveaway. All the ones on here I will have available on my merch store. Maybe a couple, depending on if there's any damage, they're not going to be on there, but the good condition ones are. I do have a lot of stuff on there, from Hot Wheels to even like mainline premium RLC, a bunch of other cool stuff such as monster trucks as well, and some other car related products. But like I said, shopemptyparadise.com. Get entered into the giveaway today. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with the case unboxing. I'm going to go ahead and lay it on its side. Oop, I can hear them shifting around. Oh, I hate when they're all falling around in there, but let's go ahead and cut this thing open. And I'm really hoping we get a super treasure hunt in here. I know it's not very common. It has happened a few times, but maybe if I don't get the super, maybe I'll still get the regular treasure hunt, but we shall see. I don't really know exactly what is in this case. I do kind of have like an idea of some of the cars, but I don't remember exactly. And every time there's like social media like postings about kind of like what's coming up in different cases, I try not to look at those, so I do unboxings. They're more of a surprise. But let's go ahead, get started right up on top. And ooh, we actually have some awesome cars to start off with. We have the purple 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko. We have the Pagani Utopia and the Rally Speciale. It's a really good start. Ooh, okay, so we have the Land Lowrider, the Formula E Gen 3, and the 96 Porsche Carrera, which is actually a Magnus Walker car. Ooh, that's a really nice hypercar pull right there. So we got the 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko, Pagani Utopia, and a Bugatti Bolide. That thing looks absolutely amazing with that yellow there. Man, 3 hypercars in one pull. Oh. Okay, so, wow. It's very rare that we get 3 cars and 3 the same. We got another Pagani Utopia, but we have the Carrera Asada, which is actually, this should be, I think, the treasure hunt. Yeah, it is. Let's turn it up right there. You can see the logo right there behind the car with the little text that says, "Congratulations, the symbol means you just found a collectible treasure hunt vehicle." And then on top, I don't know if you can really see it inside of all the toppings, there's a little round treasure hunt logo in white right there. So we did get the treasure hunt for the case, which this one's absolutely amazing. And the package is actually pretty great. Like, I don't see any imperfections on this at all. This is a nice package. The blister pack is nice and clean. And man, that's actually a really funny vehicle as well, the Carrera Asada. Obviously, it looks like a taco. You got the chips there on the side and everything. Such a cool vehicle, so I'm going to go ahead and set that aside so nothing happens to it. But then we also have a dragster. Wow, what a great way to start off the case. All right. Ooh, that's an interesting pull. We got another triplet with the Land Lowrider, then the Land Rover Series 2, and then there's that third one in the case so far. Now, we have barely gotten through the case, and we have a couple triple vehicles in here. It's kind of interesting. All right, we have another 96 Porsche Carrera, a Pterodactyl, and a 73 Jeep J10. Just set that right there. Alright, so we have a Batman the Animated Series Batmobile, a 24/7, and a Surf Duty. Ooh, okay, we got some awesome ones here. We got the 67 Lotus Type 49, the 90 Acura NSX, and the Boom Car. Ooh, that is a nice pull right there. So we have the 70 Dodge Charger RT, the 20 Toyota Tacoma, which actually has a really cool rigid livery on there, and then the 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project 7 in maroon. And like I said, all these cars will be available on my merch store, so if you guys are interested in picking up any of these, definitely go check it out. There's going to be a link in the description down below. And like I said, you guys pick up some of these cars, you automatically get entered into the giveaway. Wow. 4 of the same car in one case. I've never seen that before. 3, I think, has been the max. But there's the Chrysler Pacifica. We got a 4th Pagani Utopia, which is pretty amazing. And then we have a Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. So this is kind of an interesting case so far. Like I said, I've seen triplets, but I've never seen 4. That's quite interesting. So I'm curious if there's going to be even more than that. Ooh, heck yeah. So we got the Bumblebee. It's the Volkswagen Beetle, and it has like the Autobots logo there on the hood. That thing is absolutely amazing. This one is a little damaged. I actually do have others that are like in great condition that I will have on my merch store. And they're actually, as this video goes live, all these cars are available, by the way. This one will be on my Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway. So I'm actually kind of glad that it's damaged, because I can open this up and not feel bad about it, but then still have the great condition ones available for people who want to collect them. I also have another 24/7 and the Liberty Walk Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. Alright, then we have the Rink Racer, another Batman Batmobile, and a Trouble Decker. Alright, that is the first half of the case. Let's go ahead and pull out the divider here and get to the bottom half of the case. And I'm really hoping to get that Super, because the car that's a Super for the L case is pretty awesome. Oh, these are sitting in there kind of weird. Ooh, okay, so we got the Pontiac Aztec Custom. And a lot of people don't know there's actually an Easter egg, which I don't know if you can really see it. I guess when the light hits it just right, I can kind of see it. In the trunk of this, there's actually a kind of like a little top hat and sunglasses. Because if you guys have seen Breaking Bad, you'll actually recognize Eisenberg's kind of hat and sunglasses in there. Yeah, I can kind of see it when the light hits it just right. But sitting in the trunk, because that car was used in Breaking Bad. So that's actually pretty awesome. Little Hot Wheel Easter egg. And then we also have the Formula E Gen 3 in a Tanknator. Alright. Ooh, that is a nice one. So we have the Chevy Silverado in blue. I know a lot of people love Chevy Silverados. We have a limited grip and another Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. And that's actually, we have a few of those as well. I guess maybe that's 2 so far. Okay. Not as many as I thought. Alright, wow. We got some more hypercars. So this is a 3rd of, okay, wow, this is interesting. So we have a 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko, another Bugatti Bolide, and another Porsche Carrera from Magnus Walker. Man, there's a bunch of triplets so far in this case. I think like all 3 of these. Man, this is a wild case. I don't know what is going on, but we're getting a lot of duplicates. Alright, ooh, we got a Trek DeWagon. And we have the Diora 2 and the Ducati Desert X. Oh, that's a nice one. So we got the Mazda RX-7 in black. It's like that police livery as well. And then the 5-alarm and another Bugatti Bolide. Man, this case is like getting really interesting. I don't know if Hot Wheels is kind of changing up how they do things, but I don't think I've seen this many duplicates of some of like the nicer cars. Man, this is crazy. Actually, now think about it, there's not too many fantasy cars so far in this case. I'm actually, man, I'd rather have these statistics. Wow. Okay, this is awesome. We got the Porsche 911 Turbo 3.6, the 964 body style, and it's obviously tuned in like that nice maroon color. And then we have the 92 BMW M3 in that nice yellow. And then we have another Tanknator. All right, we have a 84 Mustang SVO, Land Rover Series 2, and another Formula E Gen 3. All right, another Dragster, a Surf Duty, another 67 Lotus Type 49. Thing is so cool. I actually do have one of those Lotuses on my 6-lane raceway, and I have done it in a couple of videos of racing, so definitely go check those out. Alrighty. Oh, we did not get the Super. What we did get is another 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko, which is absolutely insane how we've gotten so many of those so far. But we have the 77 Pontiac Firebird TA, and this would have been the Super if the Super was in here. And obviously this one is not. It is still a really nice car though, and it is available on my merch store if you guys do want to go pick that up. And then also have the 22 Ford Maverick Custom. Alright, let's see what else is in the rest of this case. Oh, I really like this one. It is the Shelby Cobra 427 SC. It's actually like a Zamac finish, but it's not officially a Zamac. So that is really cool. If you hold it side by side to a Zamac, they are exactly identical in finish, but obviously not official. So technically this is not a store exclusive, and any store will be able to have that. You also have the another 2022 Ford Maverick Custom and a Newland Hypervan. Alright, we're almost done with the case. I'm curious to see if there's anything else in here that's super exciting. Ooh, actually we do got a couple cars. Another Batmobile, but we have the Mazda 787B and a Flippin' Fast. Alright, now the last three cars of the case. Oh, that's interesting. Alright, so we got a Volkswagen ID Buzz and another 77 Pontiac Firebird TA. And typically, if you get the Super, they replace like the regular version. So it's kind of interesting getting two of the regular versions in the same case. This whole case has been kind of weird with some duplicates. We also have the Mustang Funny Car. But wow, what a very interesting case. Like I said, so many duplicates. We even have some like quadruples of... I know the Koenigsegg Jesko, I believe we might actually have 4 of those as well. Let's see, yeah. We have 4 Koenigsegg Jeskos, 4 Pagani Utopias, and how many Bolides? I think we got like 3 Bugatti Bolides. So this ratio has been very interesting, and I don't think I've had that many duplicates of some of the cool cars. So that's pretty interesting. I mean, I'm not complaining. It's just kind of odd and different. I've never seen that before. But if you guys do want to pick up any of these cars, I actually do have multiple of these available on my merch store as this video goes live. These are the exact ones I have on there. I do have multiple others that have come in other cases. But if you guys are interested, like I said, get entered into the giveaway. Hot Wheels Elite 64 Mod Shop. This thing is absolutely crazy. Build your own Toyota Tacoma. But if you guys did like this video, go down and hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this and a lot of other Hot Wheel content. Definitely check out my channel. I have a bunch of stuff on there, from main videos to YouTube Shorts, racing Hot Wheels. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.